Hi guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to identify a good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor, and this is a part 2 of this two-part series on how to identify a good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor. So if you're not watched my first part, please go and check out the first part. The link is in the description. And in this video, this is basically about you identifying a good solo ad vendor after you have bought the solo ads. Okay, so the first part is how you can identify a good solo ad vendor before you purchase that solo ad. This part is basically about how you can identify a good solo ad vendor already when you have bought solo ad. Okay, this is something which, trust me, no other affiliate marketer have shared on YouTube as far as I have seen, and this is just my opinion. So let me start and let me show you one chart as to how could I explain this on how to identify a good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor. So let's say you bought, and this is just for an example purpose, let's say you have bought 100 clicks from 4 different solo ad vendor, my friend. All right, so the first solo ad vendor gets you a 60% upturn rate, the second one gets you 40% upturn rate, third one gets you 25% upturn rate, and the fourth one gets you 50% upturn rate. Now with the first one you get no sales. Okay, with the second one you get 1 sale. Okay, so in your opinion it's a good one. Okay, the third solo ad vendor gets you no sale instantly. Okay, and the fourth solo ad vendor gets you 3 sales. So in your condition, I would absolutely guarantee that you are going to be buying more of the solo ads from this fourth solo ad vendor, because he has not only got you high opt-in rate, but he has got you 3 sales. Okay, so maybe this would be your opinion. So let me show you something which, trust me, no other affiliate marketer would have shared on YouTube, and this is really important in the long run, my friend. All right, now let's see another example. This is the first solo ad vendor who have got you 60% opt-in rate, got no sales, and after a month you can check it out. Let me show you. If you are using get response, you can check it with this contacts column, and you would see who are the vendors now who are giving you highly engaged subscribers. Okay, so you can easily find out over here. So in this case, I'm just getting it to just got my image from my email autoresponder, and you can see over here these are the 2 people who are highly engaged in whatever emails I'm sending out. And in another image I would show you that with 2 bars, these are the people who are not even opening my emails. Okay, now this is really important. Okay, so suppose, for example, you get 60 people from 100 clicks onto your email list, and after a month, trust me, this has happened with me, only 5 active subscribers are there, then probably this solo ad vendor is not a good fit for the longer term. All right, this solo ad vendor got 40% opt-in rate, got you 1 sale, but still he has got only active subscribers. What I mean by active subscribers means these people, okay, highly engaged subscribers. All right, if you got 10 active subscribers, that means out of 40 people, only 10 people are highly engaged. All right, now solo ad number 3 is going to be a 25% opt-in rate, which is absolutely low opt-in rate from a solo ad vendor, but he has got 15 highly engaged subscribers. So that could be like more than 50% of total subscribers. That means out of 25, 15 subscribers are there who are highly engaged in your emails. Okay, that is actually a really good point when you consider it for a longer term perspective. All right, so and the fourth one, of course, a 50% opt-in rate, and I can take my face off over here, which got you 3 sales, and it has also 9 active subscribers. So in my opinion, this is also less than, like, what is that, maybe 15 to 20% highly engaged people. So out of those 4 people, what I would say is you have to check it after 30 days whose subscribers are highly engaged in your emails. So it's all about opening your emails, clicking on the links, and then buying your stuff. Okay, so you got to be searching a solo ad vendor who is basically giving you highly engaged subscribers who are opening your emails. So in this case, I would say solo ad number 3, who is giving you 25% upturn rate. So you've got 25 leads with your squeeze page, no sales, but at the end of the day, out of 25, 15 people are opening your emails, clicking on the link. That means if let's say this is like, what is that, 15%? That's 60% of the engagement. Okay, it's almost 60% of the subscribers who are engaged with your emails. So in the sense, trust me, if you have 10,000 email subscribers, 60% gets you like 6,000 subscribers opening your emails, clicking on the link. Think about it, how much value you are going to be providing them and how many sales you will generate from those people who are opening your emails and clicking on the link. Now, the one problem that you need to solve over here is you need to test this solo ad vendor, solo ad number 3, with different squeeze page to try to increase this upturn rate, my friend. Okay, this is the only thing. And in this case, I would recommend you to go with solo ad number 3 for a longer term, because this guy is giving you highly engaged subscribers, and if you get like 1,000 subscribers from him, 600 people are going to be opening your email. So that is absolutely freaking awesome. Okay, and this is something that you need to track throughout the month. First month, they get into your list on the first day. You got to follow up for them for like 7 days, 15 days, whatever you think is best. Then accordingly, for after 30 days, maybe 1 month, 2 months, you need to track them. How many subscribers from that particular solo ad vendor is opening my emails? And I have got some subscribers on my list who are from like 1 year or maybe 1.5 years from one of the solo ad vendors and who are still engaged with my email. So that is how I know that this solo ad vendor's email list is highly engaged, and then I'm going to be preferring only that person. Okay, because it's not of use to get one sale and then don't even buy anything in the future. Okay, it's completely waste of our money. You need to fill up your autoresponder space with those highly engaged subscribers. They're going to be opening and clicking on the link. So trust me, it is really important. A lot of people, what they do is they basically see as a high opt-in rate. A lot of time there's spam robot kind of subscribers which get onto your list. And trust me, autoresponders doesn't like that. If you're getting clicks for 25 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, and you're getting traffic like a spam, robot, that kind of clicks, trust me, autoresponder may get shut down. They don't like this kind of leads onto their autoresponder. They would always like this kind of leads, this kind of people who are getting from solo ad number 3, which is opening your emails, clicking on the link. And once this autoresponder sees that, okay, this guy's email list is highly responsive, let me take it to a higher IP server. So they are going to be pulling up your account to a higher IP server so that you can get absolutely freaking awesome deliverability. Okay, so listen up, my friend. One tip I can give you is something which is really hard, but at the end of the day, it's profitable in the long term, is you can use double opt-in, okay, which is really an awesome thing. Autoresponder always prefer this and they love this, my friend. Okay, you can always use double opt-in. In that way, you would get those people onto your list who have absolutely interest in whatever offer you're promoting. whatever content you are sharing. So double opt-in is something which gives a legal permission, and then autoresponder always love this kind of stuff. They would always admire you and give you a high reputation IP server for sending out emails, my friend. Okay, so in this case, I would highly recommend, trust me, my friend, track it for the 30 days, 60 days after solo ad campaign and see which solo ad vendor is giving you highest engaged subscribers. Okay, and go with that person. Okay, reach out to them, put in your real email address, put in your Facebook ID, ask them to join your Facebook community group if you have. That's a really great way to engage your subscribers, my friend. Put in your photos, your personal photo, maybe your family photo, your daughter's photo, and trust me, a lot of people would relate to that. Okay, this is something is going to build a good relationship with your subscribers. And listen, people always buy from those people who they like, my friend. Who they like, know and trust. Okay, so try to track this way to find out the good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor. All right, so if you want a software which is gonna track this whole thing for you, there's a software called Opt-in Dojo, which is really great for tracking this kind of stuff. I'm going to be putting a link to this Opt-in Dojo software. If you're interested, you can get it. The link is in the description. But basically concentrate on getting highly engaged subscribers. Okay, not on the opt-in rate, not on the sales ratio, because in the long run, those people who are opening and clicking on your emails in the emails are going to be making you a lot more money. All right, so that was my video for how to pick up a good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor. Let me know how you like this video. If you like this content, please click the like. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike. But let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next videos. Okay, so see you there in the next video with another great content. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.